morning, guys. How is everybody? Right now, nagpapakulo po tayo ng tubig. So, gagawa po tayo ng tom yum soup. Ang gagawin ko po, what I'm gonna make is actually shrimp and salmon combination. So I have a couple of pieces. This is ano to po, one slab ng salmon. So I cut it to 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces. Part of the water, mga ano po siguro, maybe it's about, let me see, I didn't really measure, maybe 10 cups I put in here, so it depends, but yeah, I put 10 cups for now. I'm gonna let it boil and I will put the ingredients, the aromatics. Alright guys, our water is boiling, so we're gonna put our aromatics. So we're gonna put the lemongrass, the Galangga, a handful of Kaffir leaves, this is about 5 pieces of Thai chili pepper and the 2 large AROMATIC and let it boil. No, actually you can use a stock like a salmon head or whatever, but if you don't have salmon head or any fish head, just use fish sauce to flavor the water. Yeah. Look at the bamboo shoot. Actually, this stock is good as it is right now. Whoa. Yummy. I didn't put my fish yet and it stays good already. So I'm going to, oh no, I gotta put my my sour, my lime juice right now, because the fish and shrimp is easy to cook. So basically you're gonna flavor the stock before you put all your fish and shrimp, whatever seafood you have, because it's only gonna take a minute to cook the salmon and the shrimp. Taste it. The lamb is not sour enough, so we're going to use some tamarind. and mint. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, in the front side.
No, the whole thing. And they came back. Okay, this is the thing that get rid of it. It's natural to the property.
They're actually very invasive.
It wasn't there before, because before, remember, they had whatever they had. When we planted the garden, remember the first real good garden we had, remember how you set it up where there was individual rows and it was clear? And of course that went away. And then we went out there and tilled it, tried to clean it up, and it came back. But okay. And now it's spreading, so now you got to do something to keep that little corner right there. Every year it comes back, it's gonna come back strong.
And they don't mind winter, huh?
That's what I'm saying. There's something about that because it's natural. You know, winter doesn't affect. It's got native to our property. It's bright. I just planted this year and it's coming up. It's already there. And the little one's coming up off front. There was another one planted up there. But you did. You put some of that stuff in the back and put it there. So like I said, you gotta be careful. That mint will take over that whole front. That wouldn't be bad. You're gonna like, oh God, it smells so good here. What is it? That's their bed of mint.
Yeah.
See what? Yeah, that's nothing but mint.
Man, it's okay to spread.
It's not harming anything. And the deer don't like it.
Yeah.